National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Marion County in south central Mississippi, southern Covington County in southeastern Mississippi, northwestern Lamar County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Jefferson Davis County in south central Mississippi, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Bunker Hill, or 12 miles north of Columbia, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Melville around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Summit around 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sanford around 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bassfield and Seminary. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.